Let's learn. In the pool. At home.
Dad, can you help me?
Yes. What do you want?
Dad, I can ride a bike, ride a scooter, and play the piano. But I can't swim. Can you teach me, Dad?
Yes, Megan. I can teach you to swim. Let's go to the swimming pool.
At the swimming pool.
Okay, Megan. Let's jump into the pool.
I'm scared, Dad.
Be brave, Megan. I'm here to help you. Use this floaty. Now kick your feet.
Dad, I can't swim. I'm scared.
I'm here, Megan. Don't stop.
Like this, Dad?
Yes, Megan. That's right.
I can swim, Dad.
Yes, Megan. Now you can swim. Well done.